boy. Just finished up my long run today. It was a 17 miler. That was my longest run yet for this training for the San Francisco Marathon. I did pretty good. I finished, I think it took me like 3.5 hours. I think that's what my watch says. I posted. It was a tough, my goodness, tough run. Lots of hills out on the trail, and I did an elevation plot on my watch, and when I looked at the elevation, it's like, oh, yeah, no wonder I feel it in my legs. But it was good. I enjoyed it. Let's see. Before I ran, I drank my coffee, but I did put the Vital Proteins in my coffee. The powder, it was like non-flavored form, and you can put it in hot stuff. So I put it in my coffee. Not much of a taste there. I could taste like that, like there was something, but I couldn't really place my finger on it. So I don't mind it being in my coffee. I also used Liquid IV in my hydration pack. The Liquid IV, it has sugar in it, but it doesn't have a lot of sugar in it. So I also I mixed it with pineapple juice and water too to get a good sugar concentration, along with the sodium and the potassium that's already in the Liquid IV, and I feel really good with that. Did my normal runs this week, and on Tuesday and Thursday for about 30 minutes, and then I did a short easy run, a very light run on Friday. It was a 1 miler, and then today super long run, and that was in total about 24-ish miles for this week. I feel good. Still did my normal strength training workout Monday, Wednesday, Friday, like I normally do. No change there. Still ate the same meals that I eat. No change there. So yeah, I mean that was pretty much it. I had a really long work day yesterday. It was a 12-hour shift. I was on my feet for most of the shift. So to be honest, when I woke up this morning, my legs were feeling like I did a lot yesterday, to be honest. But I still made it through the long run today, just a little bit slower than I wanted, but hey, comes with the territory. So I'll keep this short, like I always try to do, and I will catch you next time. Maybe I will see you out in these fitness streets if you're local. Until next time.